So this is an exercise I see a lot of you lads doing wrong. So when wanting to work the chest, presses are great. The primary muscle being involved is the chest, but the secondary muscle you're getting is triceps and shoulders. If you want to isolate the pec and put all the work on the pec fly is the exercise you want to be doing. The problem is a lot of you are doing it wrong. So as you can see there, when I'm sitting down, my shoulders are rounded, my elbows are bent, and I'm not getting a good stretch or contraction on the pec at all. How you actually want to do it is like this. The reason we're doing the pec fly is to isolate the chest. We don't want to be bending the elbows. We want to open out the chest, keep elbows as straight as possible, bringing the weights together, squeezing at the top, getting a nice stretch on the way back. So no rounding and no bending of the elbows too much. So guys, if you need help with your training, send me a DM, click the link in the bio, fill out the post application form,